Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this look right here. I actually showed you guys how I achieved this look in this video and also how I achieved this hair color right here. So I'm going to start first with the review of the OPV Beauty Spotlight palette right here. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the back of the packaging looks like. First impression about this palette is the fact that immediately I saw the palette I was like wow, because I really like how colorful the packaging is. It is very lightweight and I really like the design of the palette. So I'm going to start by showing you guys the colors in the palette. So this is what the palette looks like inside it, and each colors have its name on the palette, and it also comes with a mirror. I really like the colors in the palette, guys. Each color has the name OPV on them as well. So I really like the shade range of the palette. It's so vibrant and it's very spring. You know, it's very spring. It's very springish. Is that even a word? Anyway, it's spring appropriate. So another thing that I really like about this palette is the fact that I like the layer of the palette a lot. It comes with your transitional shade, which is like brown and orange and all, and it also comes with this medium brown shade which is called Public Eye. I really love that shade. Depends on the look you're going for, guys. You can use the palette to create as many looks as you like. I really like the simplicity of the palette and how lightweight the palette is. I like the shades in the palette as well. I'm just gonna swatch some of the, I'm just going to swatch some of the shades for you guys to see. I actually used this palette to create one of the look in my previous video. You guys requested that I recreated the look, so which is what I did. But I'm supposed to applying the yellow glitter on my eyeliner area. I applied the blue one, then vice versa. So I'm just going to swatch the shades for you guys to see. And there's no way you wouldn't say how when swatching this, guys. Look at that. How opaque and how pigmented is this? Look at that. Look at that. And that's only like about 5 swatches, guys. Just 5 swatches. It has 10 shades in this palette. And just by one swipe, guys. I really love the layout of the palette, and I love the fact that eyeshadows in the palette are quite buttery and very opaque, as you guys can already tell. And the most amazing thing about this palette is the fact that despite the fact that it comes with 18 eyeshadow, it's only £29, guys. £29. In my opinion, I think it's very affordable based on the fact that I really like how pigmented the shades in the palettes are, and I also like the fact that you can create as many looks as you like with this palette. So if you're the type that likes smoky eye, you have your black shade in the palette as well, and if you're the type that like that gold simple eye look, you have your shades there as well to go with. And if you're the type that like that colorful eye look, then you've got the option for that as well. So I really like about the palette. It's a kind of palette that I could take with me on holiday without having to worry about picking any other palette, because come to think of it, guys, you've got all your shimmery shade, you've got your matte shades in different colors, guys, and you can create smoky eye, you can create any look you could think of with this palette. In my opinion, I think it's reasonably priced, and I like the fact that it comes with a mirror, guys. It comes with a mirror. I'm a fan of OPV Beauty eyeshadow palette because obviously their eyeshadows are always crazily opaque. You know that they don't have they don't normally have mirror in their palettes, but this one comes with a mirror, guys. It comes with a mirror. This is what the packaging actually looked like initially. The palette was inside this box right here, so in case you're wondering, it's the same color, it's the same everything, which is quite cute. I really like that. I really like OPV Beauty eyeshadow. That's the like, when it comes to eyeshadow, I would definitely recommend the eyeshadow because I have their Ocean palette, I have their Major palette. If you've never tried their eyeshadow before, go out there and try their eyeshadow, guys. They are insanely opaque, like insanely opaque. If you have the Ocean palette or Major palette, then you know what I'm talking about this palette as well, because all the shades in those palettes are like the same quality with this one, which is quite reasonable for the price. Because for the price, it's a bargain, in my opinion, guys, in my opinion. And coupled with the fact that you get 18 eyeshadows, guys. 18 opaque eyeshadows. Like, I'm a fan. Like, I definitely recommend that you guys check it out and let me know what you guys think. And if you have already owned any of the OPV eyeshadow palette before, please let me know what you think about their palette, and let me know what you think about any of their product that you've tried before. And if you like any of their eyeshadow palettes, trust me, you're definitely going to like this as well. So that's my thoughts about the palette so far. Please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.